Jim here. Consumer genealogy website MyHeritage said that email addresses and password information linked to more than 92 million user accounts have been compromised in an apparent hacking incident. MyHeritage said that its security officer had received a message from a researcher who unearthed
Gene testing website is like a treasure house of sensitive information. Some websites offer users the option to download all their genetic codes, while others do not. But the complete genetic code is not the most valuable information, and some experts point out that we can't read the genetic code the way we read a book to get insight. Instead, it's an easy way to access a account page whose health explanation is most useful for hackers. Well, of course, police and the companies do not want to cooperate with hackers, but it may not be clear where the data comes from and where will always be underground markets through which information can be traded or used as extortion.
Yeah, you might be related 1,000 last 10 generations, not 10 years, last 10 generations. You might be related 1,000 years ago.
I want to play the role of a biological hacker in this project, unscramble and publish the code information hidden in the DNA and make it a public comedy. By uncovering the veil of mysticism behind the DNA, ordinary people can have the right to know their life purpose and to identify clearly. Thanks, that's all.